Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by killing power at the breaker and confirming 0 voltage with a tester. Safety first. Once done, support the fixture so you can work hands-free, then remove the canopy to expose the wires. Make sure to locate the hot, neutral, and ground conductors. Note colors and any switched leg. You want a clear view of the hanging switch leads before proceeding. This prevents mistakes and speeds the next steps. Now route the hanging switch lead to the fixture box. You connect the switches switched hot to the fixture hot using a secure wire nut or rated push connector. Next, join the fixture neutral into the neutral bundle so the return path remains continuous. Do not switch neutrals. Then bond all grounds together and to the metal box or fixture ground screw. Make sure connections are tight and tuck wires neatly to avoid pinching when reassembling. With all connections secured, restore power at the breaker and test the hanging switch. You should hear or feel the switch and see the fixture respond. If it doesn't work, turn power off and recheck the hot continuity to the switch, confirm neutrals are intact, and ensure grounds are bonded. Once functioning, secure the canopy, trim and tuck excess wire, and label the circuit for future reference. This avoids confusion next time you work on it.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.